Insi Samuko baby now obe preacher. And na some conquer I'm kind of angel not come on because we be our angel. See angel no but tonium natural me. The baby today, you be a him. And you more common. No to na you know the mitsu mukram say when I matter say kasra de pede tonium. Hey, then ma becha prim na ma sorry me abia ma ka che imposa me chene pede me nyo na kasa.
Yeah.
Nti me frost chene na makam so pede mo tonium ansa na preacher man e preach and not knowing that it was my ministry.
Wow.
Nti me kan so na no so akohu mpanyimfo chapel bi amako se Methodist o se Anglican o se bebia bia no na wa mam kwan nti menya mo tonyum ni wie pe ehun that people are satisfied. You could see there obia nenya agida mo atonyum no nti so funu kenya no say na nchema last man make na ewrabe that atonyum no. So that was when I realized that I had something nti me minister, so I make sure that I minister to your soul.
Okay, okra.
Me pede it's azam. Inti adena me crampen na muhu do obiri su ana obiri zare ho. Da mo no me yanyum sesia me pede mo to nyum na inyare chichir.
Okay.
That was my ministry. Muhu do obiri for bibi ma. Inti ofi na I started the me yanyum na adena mfa na me yanyum fofo na omba out mpo na me ti do obi ewa na murusu na ipakuri wan semonyum because me feel the nchodo otsenyum na bia nka obatena ase
wuti so obi afiri mu ase
wuti obi afiri ma that is
we say nipa wotemenyuma
called semenyuma come there because na minyim there motonyum prophecies prophecies and even my ministry was being prophesied that he was saying you did I didn't even know till that thing started and see and you know moto man kasa mu da nyuma moto is coming from here mo ze ma kuma na ma ze tonyum no there's something as you know now a Holy Spirit or from
yes
because by na be born again so by na mu grow in the things of God now and on the obo ministry with fasting and prayer na me yin say me third born no fast obi a me yin say no fast today obi a on ye I didn't hear so kwankwan ho na me ministry no start
esase wo enti time ben na wonnum pie baaye Emma ti nyuma ba ma Ghana fo nyina eno na yes time be
okay 86 na sorry remember there it started with worship in the church so 86 na my brother me you know what Japanese choir leader of friend Charlie Sam and say I was in a fast for 3 days maybe say yankopon irade afram what do you want me to do because me that moto but menyim baby kwa mfanfa and say I did dry fasting for 3 days and see me break it maybe about 12 o'clock na matsa knock na ma abom pay we moko the next which is 3 o'clock and say ma 6 o'clock and see that afternoon no knock can be na ben say baby ben also ne uncle say worry your worship na us that we pay me na moto and that was it. Chede when na me mampa bona no nsi mukra meka ye worship and that time na why him there was no studio.
Yes.
Hence ye shedem. Yanka say what the nyama bi or gather nyama bi obotu ama nze what the cassette ashe. What ashe you know to moto nyum na dama ihu that this is the work of the Holy Spirit. Because enyum na badama and oye bibi today and you may say abrofo honyom na hiankasa hen native songs na you know the way it flows you know it's buto na dama na we are na wa do cassette do na wa to na oye by fire people were just being blessed with those from 86 for a long time and see Macadam be 14 cassettes.
Wow.
Or be a blessing to the nations. And see 1994 and between 1993 and 94 the Holy Spirit that goes member single. Member solo, sorry. Member solo. See me fee the group one woman. Then I and see that time I got the songs.
Okay.
I heard also gather songs. I didn't know that he was even going to tell me to go solo.
Okay.
So 1994. Now between 1993 and 94, remember out with my own album. Because when me and Yamaza,
yeah, we a group
I was singing for the guy.
Okay.
I was singing for the guy. You see, Manka Samaba Meti Emi Newman. Because Mama Yan put them in you do.
Yes.
It's people didn't even know.
Yeah.
Till I came out with my own album.
Yeah.
And people
realized. And it's 1993, 1994, and you better a bad.
And you also say, hey, what? That is a song on your limelight. Lord, prepare me.
Yes.
Sanctuary, pure and holy. So that's the song that brought me to the limelight.
Yeah. Pampa, me kaisa song. Mr. Shishasanum no mami. With thanksgiving, I'll be a living sanctuary for you. Me kaisa nyum no pa na nyina say yesu so na ya kwa so na yakototo nyum kakra krant na to nyum ni bi anti Lord prepare me na your title pa.
So that's when I came to the limelight.
Wow.
And it continued. It continued besinde.